Dear students, in previous video, we have learnt about Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Electrons in an atom can be distributed with the help of all these rules. Dear students, the distribution of electrons among different orbitals of an atom is called electronic configuration. In this video, we are going to understand the electronic configuration of atoms. Basically, we have two methods for that. First, SA, PP, DC and so on notation. And second is orbital diagram. Let's first study SA, PB, DC and so on notation method. In this method, subshell is represented by letter symbol specific to it and the superscript A, P, C denotes the electrons present in the subshell. Orbitals of different shells are differentiated by principal quantum number given as the coefficient of the respective subshell letter. Let's understand this with example. Let's try to specify electronic configuration of oxygen atom having atomic number 8. According to Aufbau principle, electrons must be filled in order of increasing energies, that is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s and so on. And according to Pauli's exclusion principle, S subshell contain one orbital and so it will have maximum 2 into 1 which is equals to 2 electrons. Similarly, P subshell contain 3 orbitals and so it will have maximum 2 into 3 which is equals to 6 electrons. So, the electronic configuration of oxygen can be represented as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 which can also be written as He, 2s2, 2p4. Example number 2. Atomic number of potassium is 19. So its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 which can also be written as Ar4s1. Notice that with this method, we cannot specify spin quantum number. The second method is orbital diagram. In this method, each orbital of the subshell is represented by a box. Electrons in the boxes are filled with the help of Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Electrons with positive spin is represented by up arrow and electrons with negative spin is represented by downward arrow. So, with this method, it is possible to represent all 4 quantum numbers. Now we can write electronic configuration of oxygen by second method as 1s, 2s, 2p. Similarly, electronic configuration of potassium can be written as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. Core and valence electrons. Electrons in completely filled orbitals are called core electrons and electrons present in the shell with highest principal quantum number are called valence electrons. For example, in oxygen, first shell is the only filled shell, so core electrons are 2. Similarly, highest principal quantum number is 2, which specifies second shell. Thus, in second shell, there are 6 valence electrons.